This video will run through how to set up two-factor authentication as a teacher on the Collins Hub. Once logged into the Collins Hub, click on your name in the top right corner of the screen to open up your account settings. Then click Privacy and Security, and a window should appear as shown here. Select the checkbox Two-Step Verification in Educator, and then select Authenticator. When prompted, enter your account password. Having confirmed your password, a new pop-up window should appear with a QR code. To scan the QR code, you first need to download an Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, to your phone or tablet. You'll need this device each time you log into the Collins Hub once you've set up two-factor authentication. In the app, find the option to add a new account and scan the QR code. This will generate a 6-digit code linked to your Collins Hub account, which is updated every 30 seconds. Enter the 6-digit code and click Verify and Continue. Copy and securely save the recovery code, which will allow you to log into the Collins Hub in the event that you don't have your device and app to hand, and click OK. Finally, click Save, and then click Save again. The next time you log into the Collins Hub, you'll be asked to enter a code. As before, open up the app on your device to generate the code, enter it here, and click Apply Code to access the Collins Hub.